Were you having any sign?
Yes.
You were having some signs?
Yes. Sometimes if I sleep, I will be dreaming like I'm seeing like people from village that they will be talking with our language, but I don't understand. But if I sleep, I used to dream that I'm trying to speak the language. So anytime that I wake up, I will not be able to.
You will fall sick?
No, I will feel somehow. So, but anytime that spirit used to enter me and be telling me, go and look for your dad, go and look for your dad, go and look for your dad. It's like the person is speaking to me every time.
When I saw her now, I too happy. If to say no be the time why I come here, I just they look you people. I don't know what I go do safe, but God know. But only God sabi how to give this girl glory.
You're welcome.
Go siri mo bebere ngbem ga digike. Go siri mo bebere ngbem ga digike. Ngbem no long ibiara na puta nwa gi o. Me ka we guzo nebedelo ebedelo. Go siri mo bebere ngbem ga digike. It's okay. It's okay.
So happy.
Hi. It's still your girl Duma Art and Craft, and today we are at Enugu-Ezike, where a lady came in search of her father. Remember my previous video that I did, that Enugu-Ezike elder people told us that their child do not stay outside, that the child must come back. And today we are here with a lady that came all the way from Lagos in search of her father. This is the lady in question, and this is the father of the lady. So that's why we're here. Follow us for the full updates and this.
Ezonye why na Chineke. Anyị na-ekele ekele. Aka anyị niile dị n'enu. Anyị na-enye gị ekele si ike. Ọ bụ mmasị gị. Na anyị dị ndụ rute n'ụbọchị nke taa. Ọ bụrụkwa na anyị amaka n'ebe ndị nwụrụ anwụ nọ, kama na ịfụnanya nwere n'ebe anyị nọ, ka esi ka anyị dịkwa ndụ. Ka anyị wee fukwa ihe ọma nke ịkwadoro anyị. Chineke anyị ekele gị n'aha Jizọs Kraịst enwe anyị na-ekele gị na-ayọ na-asị gị na ndị ụmụ orugu ndị esi wee bịa be m n'ụbọchị nke taa. Papa, ana m ekele gị etu si wee metụ ha aka n'obi esi otu abịa bịakwa n'udo. Chineke ana m ekele gị ekele n'aha Jizọs na-ayọ gị na-asị gị oge ọbụla ha ga-ana ka ha nakwa n'udo. Ihe ọma ọbụla nke ha mere m, Chineke nna ihe emere ha majikwu maji n'aha Jizọs Kraịst enwe anyị. Ezi onye nwanyị na Chineke ọjị a na-eche n'iru ugbu a n'iru ha niile na-asị Chukwu nna goziere anyị ọjị a, anyị taa ya ka anyị tata ndụ tata arụ isi ike. Ma ndị ya bụ ụmụnne m ndị bịara ebe a, Chukwu nna gozie onye ọbụla. Ngozi ka anyị na-ayọkwa gị ndụ na-ayọ arụ isi ike. Chineke biko chebe anyị taa ndụ ọjị a ka anyị tata ndụ tata arụ isi ike n'aha Jizọs Kraịst enwe anyị. Na-ekele gị ekele na ebe nwa m nwaanyị nke m na-afụrụ for years ọpọnụ mbọ niile mgba wee jee na be nne ya ma obodo m na nne nọ wee mata azụdi na nwunye ma ma afụghị ya. Mana gị nwa bụ Chineke bụ ihe mee ka ya bụ nwata nwaanyị wee si ebe o si live from Lagos jugide ese wee rute obodo a. Hai Chineke onye ka ị bụ, ana m esekwa oge a na-asị gị ekene dịrị gị, otuto dịrị gị na m, otuto dịrị gị. Na-esi yọkwa n'isi onye obi ya duru nwata nwaanyị a bịa obodo a megide ka ọ mara obodo a. Obodo anyị dị n'ime o, mana Chineke ebe onye a merie, Chineke na ị ga-agọzi onye a. Ma ndị a bịara ebe ị enye ha ngozi kwuru ngozi ya nekwu ngozi n'ofu n'ofu maka na ihe ha mere ihe obi ebere.
Asị m na m na-eme program online ma bụ maka ihe gbasara omenala ndị Enugu-Ezike. E gwara m sị m na nwa ha ga-akwụ n'ụzọ na-ego ọnụ afọ isi nka nọ ya latara ebe nna be onye na-kpọrọ m sị m na nwere onye kpọrọ na fon ya na na-ekwu na ọsị nna ya na-achọ na nke ụwa ma bụ onye Enugu-Ezike bụ si na ya like m onye na eka m si oke he gbaratara na ọ ga-abụ he larute so onye ya rute na ọbịa abịa m jija abịa n'ụlọ. So what's your name?
My name is Blessing.
Blessing, the surname. Okay, let's not go there. From now, your surname is Eze because you found your father already. So let's continue from there. So, what was your experience? How did you manage to locate your dad here?
I don't even know what to say. The time that I did the house, so I asked my mother that she give me the address. She just told me that the place is very far, that you cannot follow me to this place. That if I can go by myself, I said no problem. I will try to go by myself. So, and by that time, I don't have money to come by myself. So, and I went to Lagos to go and hustle for money so that I can be able to raise the money to come here. So later, where I'm working at Checkers Custard. So I work there because of money that I'm looking for. So when I work like 3 months, I just feel like to come, but I don't have the money because it's inside the money I will eat. I will locate the place. So and I rent house. So later I just see one man at my working place. So now advise me to raise the money on time so that I should go this year. I said that I'm even prepared to go, but there is no money in my hand to go. So the man told me that I should make sure that I go. I said okay, that I will try to gather money to come here. So when I try to gather the money. Anytime that I collect salary, I will save small money and I will remove some to buy food for myself. So I'm just managing myself. So later the man asked me to bring the address.
This one?
Yes, and I brought it. So I showed the man that he just look at it and tell me that this address is not clear, that not be able to
locate it.
Locate the place. I just say that what I know is say I will go. That anyhow I must go this year, because by next year at least I suppose settle down somewhere. That I just want to go and see him before settle down. So the man collect the address and he wrote his own and keep it somewhere, and I collect this one back.
Who gave you this one?
It's my mother that gave
you this address.
Yes. So since then I've been keeping the address.
For how long now?
It's last year.
Anywhere you go, you put the address inside your bag?
Yes. I used to take it along because I know that any time that I have money, I will go. So the man told me that he will help me.
Were you having any sign?
Yes.
You were having some signs?
Yes. Sometimes if I sleep, I will be dreaming like I'm seeing like people from village that they will be talking with our language, but I don't understand. But if I sleep, I used to dream that I'm trying to speak the language. So anytime that I wake up, I will not be able to.
You will fall sick?
No, I will feel somehow. So but anytime that spirit used to enter me and be telling me, go and look for your dad, go and look for your dad, go and look for your dad. It's like the person is speaking to me every time. So I will be saying to that spirit that I don't know the place. I cannot just stand up one day and just be looking for what I don't know. That it's not easy for me. That this Nigeria is, some people they will carry them, they will go and use them for money ritual. So I'm scared about to just go where that I don't know. Sometimes I will fight with her that please carry me now. You say that you told me that you cannot follow me to that
your
place.
mommy.
That yes, that my daddy place, they are wicked, they are killing people, they are eating human being. I say that one is not me. Just let me go and see him. If he's person that is bad, I will know. If he's somebody that's is good, I will know. Just let me go and see him. That's all. You now tell me, she will be telling me that did I want to stay there? I said no, I will not stay there. Just let me know him. I know, and I will know the state that I come from. Yes. So the man just helped me to. He now told me on Tuesday. So the man called me. He told me that one of his brother is at village now. That they are going for wedding. Yes. So he now called me. I don't even expect, because I'm still saving the money. So I just tell him that I don't have money. That you just come and call me today. I don't have money to go anywhere. So the man said that don't worry, just try to go. If you have the money that you can use to go, if I'm coming back, that God will do something. I say I don't have, and I don't know anybody, that I cannot just go, because I don't know the way I will see him. Maybe he have money or he don't have money to return me back. That I supposed to hold something so that I will not feel so bad. So, and the man said that prepare to next tomorrow you are going. That's to prepare next tomorrow that I'm going. I said, so anyhow I will try to arrange everything. So and I arranged, and the man gave me the number, like 3 numbers to be calling, that I will be calling the number anytime. When we reach anywhere that I was calling
the numbers.
Yes. So and I started calling the number, and we reached so place, because me I don't know anywhere, because this is the first time I will come to
this side.
I've
not been to this side.
Yes.
Before.
I used to travel, but it's not
this area.
Yes. So that's so. And I drop at a Peace Park, and the brother came to come and pick me up. So later just asked me that they have money to rent and to lodge for hotel. I said no, I don't have money, because even to come here is only God that know the way
you manage to come
for everything. So, and the man told me that there's no problem. The uncle told me that no problem. He just carried me to go and put me. See, maybe pastor house. I just managed to sleep the place yesterday before we come to this place early in the morning. So that's all.
So how did you feel when you got to this very place, when you locate your dad?
But the first is what I see is the time where we reach
this market.
No.
Eke.
Ogute. No. This that place where when I reach Isuka, I just feel like something leave my body, like the spirit leave me, and I'm so happy that I'm coming to my land. I just feel okay. I don't know the way I'm feeling, but since we reach my brother, that brother's side, which place
Obollo.
Yes, Obollo. So I just feel okay. I don't even feel bad.
At this point, your spirit was relaxed now.
Yes.
You got into your land.
Yes. That everything is okay. I don't even think anything that maybe I have I don't even think anything. What I'm thinking is happiness. So that's all.
Well, when you before you start the journey, like what was your battle with your mom like? Were there any fights between you and your mom, like I must go, don't go, I must go, don't go, that kind of a thing?
Before I leave house, we used to fight. Even because of that, I left her and I go and rent house.
Because of this very issue?
Yes, because of all this. Because I asked her to take me, so that you cannot follow me before they will kill her. She even told me later, because I disturb her too much. Even sometimes we will be fighting because of that. I will stay outside and she will stay inside. I will be talking to her anyhow. That I don't like all this. That's why. Because I have junior ones and everybody know their father. It's the only me that is. What did I do? And what did I do to deserve all this? What did I do for you? Even sometimes I used to kneel down to beg her. What did I do for you so that I can beg you, or what do you want me to do? You just scatter everything that I don't need to beg her or something like that. So I just said to anyhow I will come by myself. I even tell the man that I will not be able to come here because I don't know anywhere. Before he now told me that one of his brother is at village now that if I can go, that the man will help me.
How old are you?
I'm in 20s, going to 27 years.
Going to 27?
Yes.
Man, 27 years. Oh.
I'll go ahead there.
So can you tell us how you feel when...
highest 4 years ago,
Can you tell us how you felt when you met your compadre, like your dad?
I feel so. I'm okay. I feel so happy that I later see my dad. That even if I told that brother that if my dad that is not around again, I will just greet their family and I will move to Lagos. That I will not come back again. But I don't even know what to say. God do everything for me. I don't know what to say.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Nine. As of when did you started the searching for her?
Just earlier. This thing happened. This girl, this woman, me and him stay well for Kaduna. And how we started that marriage, the lady is my friend and she, unfortunately, she has to get belly. I deserve to marry her. Even our Igbo people, they tell me, make a man no marry you, but this and that will happen.
Because she's from Yoruba?
Yes, I'm from Igbo. Okay. So I tell them, as far I don't give this girl belly, I will marry her. Because my first issue will not go anyhow on earth. Our first issue, no, they go anyhow. Particularly this blood. And even I don't told her, we are not, they take anybody something as thief. That's how our blood is. So we managed to do everything. This woman, we live, she born this pikin. Later, because things hard for me, the time why I come out go on each other. Because later I carried my wife and my pikin come here. She stay here, born one issue, making it 2 issues. Then I travel back to Onitsha to look for money. As I travel back to Onitsha, I know that this woman is planning something why I don't know. He didn't even want to come tell me, say, my husband, I beg, I won't travel to my place, so I will go do him. He did not tell me. Later, as I travel, she live here, go to one of our brother's wife, carry the property that me and him bring come here, go collect money. The wife na Nwunye Willie Paul. Now she do this thing. Give her money. They do explain everything. I don't know. But later, as I come back, they tell me say she just left about a week ago. After they told me that thing, I tried and go back to Kaduna. They say it's not in Kaduna. In Kaduna we know ourselves. Yes. As they told me that she's not at Kaduna, make I go their place. I asked them to show me their place. They don't want to give me direct information. It come look like say they wanted to do me wayo. I can't come back. About 2 years time, I go back searching for her, and because somebody told me that he sold my wife that place. I go to Kaduna. The person that I'm meeting, he used one word. I don't understand. I said, this is the second time I come. Tell me true what happened. Tell me. Now that time the man tell me that one of my issue has died already. So that let me enjoy it. Also, I enjoyed what of the other one and my wife. He say he don't know where they are. Now that place I can't beg and beg and beg. Tell me how I will manage to go to their place, to their main village. That time she gave me how I go. He say even the number of the man I hold the number till now, but the man had already died. So as I go to that Abajana, I call him, say I am near the town. He can't direct me that I should go enter motor to Kaba. After Kaba, I got another place where he call name. I went enter motor to. After that place, I enter motor to Ijuku. Ijuku is where my wife's village. So I travel to Ijuku. Before I meet army man. One army man, he's not with uniform, but we stay together one place. I look him. Something directed me, say I should talk to this man. Just something that, okay. As I greet the man, have seat. I give him one bottle of beer. After that, I tell him, say, come, I need get now one problem carry me come here. I'm not a citizen of this place. As he directed to that place, I see somebody resemble the sister to my wife. Because I know the sister, small sister, junior sister. But the person saw me run inside. Now this man can't reach there. Because when person they enter, then go come out, they look, know the person where they enter. So, as we reach there, this man can't speak with the English, say this man is looking for social people. They tell us, say, no day. So, what thing be this for my mind? Later, the man say, I don't hear now. Small time where we want to go, they come, they quarrel with the man with the Yoruba. Quarrel with him. Later, this woman, come, they say, make I not mind them. As we come on, they tell me that they are quarreling with him. Why should he carry me to that place? The man say, why can't he do like that? He get Pekin from Igbo land. What are you people hiding my Pekin? Which means all of them know about it. Say, make I no worry. Say, I should go next time I come. Then I call that man at Kaduna. Tell him, say, see how I work out. So the man say, oh, you don't know anything, no. Na Kaduna where you do. I say, what thing be this? I come village, say, God, you know, the way why I take marry this woman no be because of me. I just now because of the condition where she there, that I don't want to disappoint any human being in that condition with my first issue, and I did it. So you are the one to do the rest that remain. So yesterday while they come back from market, I won't follow another road. One man say follow this road to market. As I follow that market road, I don't pass. So one boy stop me. Inside that market, I stop. I come say somebody look for Patrick Eze's house. The thing made me
And now you with the Patrick.
I say, na me my own na Uche, but Patrick na my father. So as this thing do me, I say okay, I come turn machine immediately. They say make you see that girl that hold phone. Go ask him. I come ask this girl. She can speak. Later I bring the picture of this where he did picture with his mother. I say, hey, my mind do what? Wait me this. Now you be blessing? He say yes. Now you be blessing. Your able name na Ngozi. Because na me give her the name Ngozi. And Ngozi na blessing for English. His mother say na blessing. So as he go that side, na blessing they call him. Because na in English they go take know her name. Hi! I don't know how it be for me. To cry. I know I say wetin be this. So this girl you dey alive. Come see me alive. Hey! Now I carry and come house. So, but all these things, God is working wonderful. Wonderful things are working on earth, are happening on earth. Wonderful things. But in all things, we have to give God glory.
This is the picture of the mom and the daughter. She looks exactly like us, no different. So after you remarry another wife after that, right?
Before I marry another wife, I don't go Kaduna, go look for her, search for her many times.
As you know, see.
As I know, see, even I don't go their place, search for her and my pikin, I know see her. And because I'm searching for her, she know that I'm searching for her. She know, but she don't want to, because sometimes I go the way where the people they are behaving, showing me that this girl is around this town or is around that compound, but they don't want me to see her. Showing me that she don't want to let me to see her or see my pikin. Even though from the speech of this my pikin now, you will know that she don't want this pikin to come back here again.
That's what she said.
According to her, but she don't want her to come to me. That is, but God work everything miraculously, work calm miraculously. It happened to be that she come back here. So later, I'm very happy for God's work, for God's action. Nothing where man go plan on earth, we go like that unless God will sign am. If God no sign am, it will not happen. So this is what God did for me, because I always dream about these people. See now, she's the one I'm dreaming because she resembles his mother. Because I'm always, sometimes I dream his mother in form of a lady like her. So I dream I'm always about her always. I don't know she's the one. So I thank God. Thank God.
So what about your new wife?
That new wife, she died about 2 weeks ago, and I just come back home to prepare for the burial celebration, right. So, and she died in the problem of breast cancer, and I tried my possible best. Even so, I spent much money on it, but later she died, and after she died, I carried her to the mortuary, and mortuary in that hospital, and the hospital give me a bill of 500,000 because he used oxygen for 5 days, in which even I'm still searching for money for the everything I'm doing on it.
So sorry, sir. Sorry for your loss.
Okay.
You said you know the mother of the...
I know this woman because it's my friend. The time I was here, because we live together, and he is my friend.
That Kaduna.
This CD woman, this CD, because now CD be their name.
Okay.
So we stay together. Their husband no dey home. She do it for nature. And the time where we dey here, I tell her say me no go anywhere. Let him stay with these 2 children because I stay with my own. So the woman no agree, and they get one woman where they do the type of thing where the woman they do no good for me, and they no good. And this woman, this lady, pack all the thing, carry and go there. they stay with the woman because he tell me say the woman they give her food to chop because this old mama, this their old mama, the husband mother. So she tell me say the woman know they do well because you know they give her food to chop. I make her go there the chop food. I tell her say wait for your husband. If your husband come, make it because if your husband buy something for her, carry her come home. He go tell me, you hear? He go tell me and this is CD. If he do something for her, small thing like this, he go happy. But where he go for the woman, I don't know what the woman they tell her. But I tell her say make it near me, make you dey peel this broom and this pancane where we dey use. If you break and go carry and go market, say chop. Make you no mind this mama because the mama don't old. She no gree me. The time where the woman they pack, no tell me again. The woman we stay with the woman. This is the two we sleep together. They break. I come here. This mama where they here come they tell me say he see this pan where they here where I put oil. I know see CD. CD don't pack all the oil. Carry and go market because our market na Ikeda to Gurute. So he come tell me say you don't carry the oil sell. And you know see CD, you know see the akaya, everything don't pack and finish. Hi. No be say that time phone no day. Phone no day to call am.
No way. You don't know where she go again.
And that woman buy him.
Now so I think cry for CDO because plan where me and him because me and him they say my. Me and him say the plan. I they say my. If he grant my, he go carry and go sell waka. Me go carry my own go waka. The time where the CD come out.
No can't tell you.
No tell me again. So I cry for CD, cry. But all my heart, say I thought say no any children for this our Enugu-Ezike. No they go anywhere unless the person die. Sometimes I call here some message people where they talk say there maybe CD don't marry. He get a one man where know they born where marry CD. Maybe he don't marry am with that children because the man go collect the children. I can't tell the person. The thing cannot work. So, but the time where this man come, because I dey ask this man tell me, say he don't waka anywhere.
Don't try to
and
find
he no see CD. I don't think for CD, I don't forget that one because not yesterday or day before yesterday. I don't leave. I don't.
So how you feel as you see?
You see me, they pass for road for this morning. That woman where they say provision that place tell me say Uche child come. I can't tell and say which Uche child. He can't tell me say I don't know that CD the child where CD carry for hand. I can't carry my barrel through way like this. Shout! Everybody come.
Gather.
I thought say make I go see this because this is early morning. When I saw her now, I too happy. If to say no be that why I come here, I just they look you people. I don't know what I go do safe, but God know. But only God sabi how to give this girl glory. Because as he trek waka any village, come for this village again. God go give her glory.
Thank you. So, how do both of you feel now seeing each other now?
I feel am.
Yes. Oh, thank God. Thank God. You're welcome. Allah.
Please of God.
You're welcome, yeah? You're welcome.
Oh, Chukwu.
You're welcome.
Gosiri mo bebere ngbem gadi ike. Igosiri mo bebere ngbem gadi ike. Ngbem no lulonwo ibiara na puta nwa gi o. Meka nwe guzo nebedelo ebedelo. Igosiri mo bebere ngbem gadi.
It's okay.
So happy.
Viewers, we've seen how she locates her dad, the excitement and everything. So the Enugu-Ezike tradition that says that the child must come back, I brought her back today, and she have seen her father and the two of them. You can see the expression. Even me, I'm happy to celebrate it with them too. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.